Imagine the scent of warm, freshly baked muffins wafting through your home. It's simpler than you think. Start with 2 cups, 300 grams, of flour, a half cup, 100 grams, of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix these dry ingredients together. Now, for the wet ingredients, you'll need 1 egg, 1 cup, 240 milliliters of milk, and a third cup, 80 milliliters of vegetable oil. Whisk them together before combining with your dry mix. Don't forget the secret ingredient, a teaspoon, 5 milliliters, of pure vanilla for that extra flavor punch. Here comes the fun part. Fold in your favorite add-ins. Blueberries, chocolate chips, or nuts, the choice is yours. Spoon your batter into a 12-cup muffin tin and bake at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. Voila! Delectable muffins, hot and ready. The perfect treat for any occasion. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a midnight snack, remember the best muffins are the ones you make with love. Happy baking!